Premium Dentistry is a dental practice that specializes in cosmetic dentistry and restorative dentistry. We have emphasized a lot of patient education. When they leave here, they are well informed and educated on dental issues that they have and need to be taken care of. We offer cosmetic dentistry like veneers, Invisalign, implants.
Premium Holistic Dentistry is welcoming new patients, offering payment options. Dental appointments are available in the early morning, evening, weekend. We also offer dental plans. For large dental treatments, we can arrange customized and private appointments, sedation, and also assist with transportation and accommodation services. Our emergency and teledentistry consultation includes free teeth replacement assessment, second opinion, teeth straightening evaluation. Click the link now to connect and to find out more. You'll be glad you did.